Justice Sanjiv Khanna swore in as the 51st Chief Justice of India at the Rashtrapati Bhavan today. Remember, Justice Khanna was born in 1960 to former Delhi High Court Judge Justice D.Y Khanna, and his uncle Justice H.R. Khanna was a prominent judge at the Supreme Court, notably for his judgment and a dissenting opinion in the emergency case. Not only this, Justice Khanna, who started his practice in around 1983, has been in fact one of the finest lawyers in the country, and in fact later came to become a judge in fact in the Delhi High Court from 2006, and very clearly Justice Khanna was elevated to the Supreme Court in the year of 2019, where he has written more than 115 judgments and in fact has been a part of over 450 benches. Major verdicts of Justice Khanna actually include dismissing the petition with regards to 100% VVPAT verification. Not only this, he was also a part of the 5 judges constitution bench that upheld the abrogation of Article 370 and said that the abrogation was constitutionally valid. Not only this, Justice Khanna had been at the helm of affairs of the Supreme Court because he was the patron-in-chief of the National Legal Services Authority and has done remarkable work in that sense as well. Most of his judgment comes in various arbitration matters, criminal matters, and in fact he is the only judge who had in fact granted an interim bail to former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to campaign for the Delhi polls, and very clearly had mentioned that him being released on bail is something that is necessary for the democracy itself. So very clearly Justice Khanna has been an upholder of the rights and liberties of a particular person, and has always taken a liberal view when it comes to granting bails. Not only this, Justice Khanna penned in fact a concurring opinion in fact the Article 370 abrogation case, holding that the abrogation of Article 370 did not hit in fact the federal structure of the country itself. Not only this, what is also very important to note about Justice Khanna is that being at the Delhi High Court and now in fact being the Chief Justice of India, Justice Khanna has been a proactive judge delivering judgments in both criminal, civil and arbitration matters as well. Justice Khanna will be, as soon as he is taken over as the 51st Chief Justice of India, remains to have focus on in fact the pendency, that is there 82,000 cases are still pending at the Supreme Court of India, and that would be a challenge. We'll have to see as to how Justice Khanna addresses that. Not only that, sources close to in fact these developments have also told us that another focus point of Justice Khanna's in fact tenure would be to keep going the technological advancements that the judiciary has been having in the tenure of Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Though the tenure is only a 6-month long period, a small one, but definitely what mark does it make on the Indian judiciary and how would it follow is something that everyone will have to wait and watch for. I am Anand Bhatnagar with video journalist Sumit Jaguri for CNN News 18 from the National Capital.